Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Here we have a laptop skin cover to fix. Alright, on Lenovo x250. Okay, a 6th gen Lenovo. Alright, you can see what is the tools we need. We need a lighter, we need a razor, a needle, okay, to do this work effectively. Alright, so we are about to start. Okay, the first thing we are going to place the sticker on the surface of the system. We are putting on the front of the laptop. Okay, then we are going to carve out the logo. All right, carving out the logo is important because the client wants that. All right, so we are going to do that. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show you how to carve out Lenovo systems logos, how to carve out their letters and their logos. That's the main purpose of this video. All right, so we are going to start. As you can see, we are cutting out edges, the unwanted parts, we are cutting it out. Okay, after doing that, we are going to trim and use our lighter to burn out each of the edges so that it meshes to the body very well. Okay, and this is done by Good News. All right, he's doing an excellent work. He has been working on this for a very long time and he's good at it. He's very good at it. So we continue. All right, so after cutting out each of these edges out, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to make putting our lighter, as I said, to make sure you burn up the edges very well so that it sticks to the body. Okay, all right, the Lenovo we have here is a 6th gen Lenovo. It has 2 double battery. Okay, has the outer one, have the inner one. Okay, and it's using 8 gig RAM. All right, then it can use a SATA SSD. It's upgradable to 1 terabyte. It's okay, you can upgrade it up to 1 terabyte, and the processor speed is okay, it's Core i5. All right, and it's 2.3 gigahertz processor speed. All right, the system is very nice, and for those who want to use it for design, graphics, if you are having problem of deciding what kind of system you can use for design, graphics, online purposes, it's good. The beginning starts, you can start with it, and their prices are always cheap. Because Lenovo prices are more less than other brand like an HP or Dell or Toshiba. Okay, it's not that they are bad, it's not that they make it moderate for people can afford easily. All right, and their products is good, it's not bad. Their products are very good, very nice. All right, so the next thing now is to design our logo out. You can see the process going on now. You have to use your needle first. As you have used the needle finish, then you now use the razor to just cut out each of those places, because those razors is to cut out, then the needle is used to carve out it very well. Okay, so and if this video is helpful, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video for your friends, to those that need it, and don't fail to follow me up for more videos like this. Okay, and you can see this is where the Thinkpad is. All right, we are going to carve out where we have the Lenovo. All right, we are still going to do that, and that red what you can see there is the light that is always showing. Okay, so we are going to do that also. We are going to carve out the logo of the later of Lenovo also. Okay, after this we are done here. Just what I said, using the lighter always to help to make the surface smoother. All right, so we are carving out the Lenovo's letters. We're going to take it step after the other. Okay, take it step by step. We're going to take it step by step. After carving out each of them, I think we are done. All right, and if you want to be having smooth putting your laptop sticker on the surface of the body, you want it to be very smooth. All right, you must use the pattern I'm using. Okay, you must use the pattern I'm using. All right, you must make sure you use that pattern. If you don't use that pattern, you will not get it exactly the way you want it. Okay, you must place it. Why? As you're placing it, you use your either use a flat object, or you can use your hand. If you can use your hand accurately to make it smooth, fine. Right. Expect a video on Linux. I'm going to do a video on Linux next week. All right, video where you can install Linux on Chromebook. Okay, let me just tell you a little secret. Chromebook system to install Linux on it. All the necessary drivers usually work. Okay, the sound driver works, the display drivers works, the Bluetooth, everything, it works very well with Linux. Alright, and we're starting with Linux Mint. Okay, after we move into Linux Ubuntu and Debian and all the rest of them, Fedora, which we did, we're going to still do it. So you have to be patient with yourself when you are doing this. Okay, and you must make sure you do it carefully. All right, carefully done, and you can see the way you're doing. Good news has been so perfect on this, and I'm very proud of him, and he's done. Very proud of him doing this. All right, we'll see you in our next video. Please take care of yourself, and bye for now.